Blackout Bingo does not use one universal entry fee for every game, so the amount you see can depend on the specific tournament or contest you choose. By the end, you'll know where the entry cost appears, what the fee means, and what to check before spending money on a Blackout Bingo game. When you open Blackout Bingo, the first thing to check is the tournament or game lobby. Each available contest can show its entry requirement before you join. That amount is the number you need to have available in the applicable balance to enter that particular contest. The key point is that an entry fee is not the same thing as a withdrawal fee. An entry fee is connected to participating in a game, while a withdrawal fee, if applicable, would relate to taking funds out of your account. Before tapping the button to enter, check the displayed entry amount and confirm which balance is being used. Blackout Bingo can have different types of balances or promotional funds, and the rules for using those funds can differ. You should also check the prize information shown for the contest. The entry amount tells you what participation costs, while the prize information tells you what the contest can award under its current rules. Do not rely on an entry price shown in an old YouTube video or screenshot. Tournament options and promotional offers can change. So the amount displayed inside the app is the figure that matters for your account at that moment. There is another simple step that can prevent mistakes. Review the contest details before confirming the entry. If you are unsure whether the amount is being charged from cash funds, bonus funds, or another balance, check the displayed rules before continuing. And remember, paying an entry fee does not guarantee a prize. You are entering a competitive game, so the result depends on the contest rules and your performance. If your goal is simply to test Blackout Bingo, start by reviewing the available games and their displayed entry requirements, rather than assuming every contest costs the same amount. The main points are straightforward. Blackout Bingo can have different entry requirements. The entry fee is separate from withdrawal costs, and the current contest screen is the best place to verify what you will pay. Before joining any paid contest, check the entry amount, prize details, and balance requirements shown in the app. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reviews, payment guides, and beginner walkthroughs.